Okay guys, good morning. It's about that time. Gonna start loading the stuff on the BMW and heading over to my brother's house to start putting this thing together. Okay guys, just wanted to show you guys something really quick. It's the carbon fiber in the daylight. Remember I showed it to you guys in the night inside the garage, but it wasn't as bright as it is right now here in the sun. So the carbon fiber looks a lot better in the sun. Let me see if I could get this thing. Check that out. And the thing that I like about this is that that it's that 5D reflective. So all these little squares, it looks like it's weaved. So, but it's, even though it's not, it looks pretty cool. It reflects the sun. I don't know if the camera catches it, but oh well. So if you get the non-reflective one, like the normal carbon fiber wrap, I don't think you'll get that same effect as this, or maybe you do, I'm not sure. But they had that choice of the regular 5D carbon fiber, and then they had this 5D reflective carbon fiber, so I opted for the reflective carbon fiber, and it looks pretty cool. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys see it in the sun. Okay guys, so everything's in the trunk except the carbon fiber. I won't be needing the carbon fiber today until the car is completely dry. So yeah. Okay guys, so there it is. It only came with four of those curtains slash walls. So the one whole side was open. So I had to buy one of these bags from the dollar store. They were $1. So I think they're 9 by 12, so they work perfect. So you can see those two sides. That's what I did with the bag. Here we are inside. Super hot. It's super hot in here. You guys can't imagine how hot it is in here. Probably you guys can't hear. The car is ready to go, guys. Ready to go. So let's do this.
spray these ones. Sorry about the noise, guys. Here's this other one. This one's about dry, so I'm gonna hit it one more time. Hitting the inside first, and then the outside. This paint sprays out really smooth, guys. Check it out. Check that one out. Now it's time for the bumper. The bumper covers. Well, not the bumper cover, the sensor covers. See how smooth this thing goes, guys? Check it out. This thing lays like water, guys. Super easy to spray. Imagine how these things gonna look with the clear, guys. Check this out. Check that out, guys. No clear, imagine with the clear. I know I didn't mention this earlier, but it's 2-to-1. So if you're gonna do, or just for an example, if you're gonna do 12 ounces, you're gonna do 6 ounces of urethane reducer. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. There it is, guys, drying. I removed the front part of the booth and the back, which is not that much of a booth, like I said. But it's pretty windy. You can see this thing just moving all over the place. That's why I decided to bring it out. So outside, I'm just gonna spray the clear out here, which I've done it before, and this clears a lot better. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. So I'm about to spray some clear, guys, but it looks nice. It looks like a matte color. That is the base coat. As soon as I apply the clear, it's gonna shine. Be 4 ounces. If I do 16 ounces of clear, it's gonna be 4 ounces of activator. If I do 16 ounces of clear, then I have to bring it all the way to 20 with the activator. And as I've seen before, you gotta mix it till you won't see those little swirls. So you sit inside, kind of like those little swirls. They gotta go away. You see a little tornado in the middle of black paint, but that's just black paint. that managed to got in there, but the clear's gotta be completely clear. So should be it. Same gun, it's cleaned up. Okay guys, check this out. This is the second coat. Super glossy, guys. Second coat. It ran on me on a couple spots, but I'll wet sand that thing off. Check it out. Ran on me right there too a bit, but all that will come off with the wet sand. So far, I still need to paint the wheels. Started pretty early in the mornings. It's about to get dark again, so still need to give it one more coat.